guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So this time it is not a small leather goods or a purse, but it is a Louis Vuitton accessories. So I have the package here. It was wrapped like this. I guess you're already familiar with this packaging, and as you can see right here in my left. And yes, this is okay. Let me just open this and show you what I recently got. Okay, so let me just put this box over here. So this one came in with a booklet. So the booklet right here, just to give you a little bit of detailed information about the sunglasses. So now you already know that this is a sunglasses. My gosh, I mean, when I saw this at the store, it was just like, wow, this is perfection. Because I have been looking for sunglasses that this particular color to be added in my collection. And I was like doing a little bit of research whether Louis Vuitton came out with this particular pattern before, but I was anticipating that this year for the summer they're gonna come up with this lovely pattern. Since they I'm not sure when was this released though, but when I saw this at the store I jumped on it because it is so cute, it is so lovely. So anyway, this is the box that came with it. I'm not sure if this one is leather though. Maybe this one is leather. But anyway, it opens like this with the microfiber cloth. Once again, this one has a Louis Vuitton logo right there on the inside. And then this is the item. And I'm so excited for this. I did not try this at the store. So here comes. Okay, this is another sunglasses. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna give you a closer look of so that you'll be able to see up close the style of it. So this is my Monogram square sunglasses. So it says my Monogram because, as you guys could see the detailed right there, it is a Louis Vuitton monogram. Very, very cute. Oh my gosh. I just love those monogram. So, okay, so this one still came in with its packaging, with the wrapping around it. And, okay, let me just take this one off. And also, oh, this one has a tag. Sometimes they put a tag in it. Sometimes it's already, they did not include in your purchase. But I had a feeling this was just released recently. I didn't really ask her at all. So anyway, this is okay. Look at the side detail of it. Oh my gosh, right at the temple. I really love the Louis Vuitton initials. This one is beautiful. This one is in a gold hardware though. And also the monogram right there. This one reminds me of a reverse monogram. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Also on the other side as well, right at the temple. It shows this initials right here with an LV with a gold hardware as well. At the tip of the sunglasses, there is the flower right here. Very nice detailing though. Very nice. This one has a weight apparently. So okay, here's the product information for the item. So this one is the Louis Vuitton square monogram, and actually in the size E. This is E stands for the Eastern size. That is designed for those who has like a flatter nose bridge, and also they also have in the Western size as well. Those are with those high nose bridges. So anyway, upon checking the website, the Western size, That one is already sold out, but for the Eastern, the one that I've got, it's still available, and this is the My Monogram. So the product code is Z1511E, and then the other one is Z1511W. Okay, so this is how it looks right there. Okay, moving going back to the sunglasses. So the inside of it, so you guys could see right there, very nice, very, very nice. The interior is really lovely. So this one actually, let me just try it on and see. Okay, so this one has a brown lenses. Of course, obviously this one is square because they actually call this or label this as a square sunglasses. This one is made up of the acetate frame, very lovely, and of course this one is tinted. Okay, so let me do it once again. Yeah, wow. The reason why I purchased this once again, because it is very, very comfortable. So now let's talk about the technical details on the ultraviolet protection. So this one on the website, it says, sometimes with the website, it varies though. It tells you with the technical details for the UV, and sometimes it's not. But apparently for this one, the transmittance is 21%. The filter category is number 2, which is more likely a general purpose, which is good protection against the sun glare. Very lovely. So yeah, this one is, yeah, it's really nice. I love that right here, the frame sets perfectly right in my nose. And it seems like the it sets perfectly right here on my right here above my ear. It's this one is very, very comfortable. I really love their square sunglasses. It's actually my most favorite, actually. So anyway, so I don't know, this is probably, yeah, this is my third sunglasses that I've purchased this year. It's just, that's how much I love the square frame though. That's why, I mean, when I saw they came out with this monogram, I said, wow, I actually have never seen something like this before. I will definitely going to add this in my collection. Perfect for summer. It's absolutely gorgeous. The detailed for this, it's amazing. And also, with the square sunglasses, since I already have 3, the craftsmanship for this is amazing. I just love it so much. So anyway, also guys, another thing that I wanted to tell you is that you could go to the website, to the Louis Vuitton website, search for the glasses, the sunglasses that you are interested in. So on the top right of the screen, you will be able to see the try on. Actually, that is a really nice addition from Louis Vuitton, because it actually helps you decide whether the frame works on you or not. Yeah, with the square, the circle ones, the millionaire. So that app actually is really nice and very helpful when it comes to deciding whether the frame works perfectly on your face, like it's the perfect frame for you. So I did try that, basically like almost like everything, majority of their sunglasses, and I think it works actually. It really helps and gives you a little bit of like an insight of this one would fit on your, if it is like the right frame for you or not. So anyway, this is my monogram frame sunglasses. This one retails for $665 US. That's before tax. Very nice. Look at that. I just fold it. Very lovely. Wow. This one is so cute. So also, This one right here, this is my BLANCA sunglasses. I've been using this quite a lot. This one is just plain simple in front, and right here at the temple, it just shows you the detailed around it. So that's the monogram flowers and the initials. At the bottom right here, there is a flower, and this one is also comfortable. The BLANCA sunglasses, this one has a green lenses though, which I also love. Very, very comfortable. I love this so much. It is easy to wear, but this one is around $500 though. Very lovely. And then I also have another one here, another square sunglasses. This one has a Louis Vuitton flowers right here at the front on both sides, and the temple right here is the Louis Vuitton initials and also the monogram as well. At the tip, it has those flowers as well. This one looks so different though than the others. So yeah, this one is actually very, very comfortable as well. This one, yeah, it has a black lenses. Very nice, very lovely, very comfortable, and I will highly recommend this square sunglasses, guys. It is so comfortable. I did not have any issues with right here. Usually on your right here on the temple, it sets perfectly right here in your temple. It's not rubbing through above your ears. It's not rubbing in your ears. It's not giving me any headache at all. It's not too heavy. Though it has a weight, it is not too heavy. Yeah, this one is actually perfect for summer, perfect for, yeah, and also the UV protection for this one as well. It's just like for a general purpose. It helps protect the UV as well. So very nice. So these are my sunglasses. Oh my gosh, like I am actually going crazy with all these three. These are also three, and then I don't even know why do I really need three sunglasses, but because I like to rotate my stuff, so that's probably the reasons why I added this. But this one is a must though, because of I love the monogram printed it. This is so lovely. It is so gorgeous. It's a must-have in your collection. But these two seems to look like it is a little bit of like a generic Louis Vuitton. Just a little bit of detail in it. There's not much of a distinction at all. But the comfort is amazing. The quality for this, the craftsmanship for this particular piece is something that I adore. And yeah, this one is gorgeous. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.